Ayade Umahi to court over defection to APC. Wike charges PDP. What's up, guys? Welcome back to 2K Spark. Governor of Rivers State Nyesom Ezenwo Wike has urged the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to challenge the defection of the Governor of Ebonyi State David Umahi and Governor of Cross River State Ben Ayade to the All Progressive Congress (APC). He has also enjoined the PDP to also challenge the defection of former PDP members in National Assembly and State House of Assembly in both states to the APC. Governor Wike, who stated this in Port Harcourt on Saturday, stressed that the time has come for the judiciary to make a final pronunciation on the incessant defection of government and lawmakers from one political party to another in order to save the country from becoming a one-party state. The time has come that the judiciary must have to rise to the occasion to make a final pronunciation, he said, of this issue of defection, and that will go a long way to strengthen our democracy. Because if we do not take action, you will find a situation where you will have a one-party state, and that will not be good for our democracy. And so he encouraged the PDP he has encouraged the PDP. They must file a suit against the governor of Ebonyi State, David Umahi, and the governor of Cross River State, Ben Ayade, for defecting to the All Progressive Congress without any reason provided in the constitution of any other enabling law. What PDP is looking for is not just that they want to reclaim the seats, but that a pronouncement must be made by the judiciary on this incessant defection without no reasons at all, in order to enhance and strengthen our democracy. Governor Wike said it is unacceptable for governors and federal and state lawmakers who have been elected on the platform of a particular party to defect to another where there is no division in the party that brought them to power. Let it be on record that the party PDP has been able to challenge it, and let us await the outcome of the decision of the court, because the court has a role to strengthen our democracy, and part of the role the court must play is to make a final pronouncement on this issue of defection from one party to the other. Governor Wike described the Court of Appeal reconfirmation of Jarigbe Agom as the senator-elect of Cross River North Senatorial District as a victory for democracy and the PDP. The Rivers State Governor, who congratulated Agom for his perseverance, also commended the judiciary for standing up to the antics of desperate politicians and some lawyers who would want to ridicule the judiciary. People must understand there is an end to litigation. This is a matter, from his knowledge, was a pre-election matter and went up to the tribunal. And he do know that the Court of Appeal tribunal sitting in Calabar sometime in July gave judgment declaring Honorable Agom as the senator-elect, and therefore directed INEC to issue a certificate of return to him, and that was carried out by INEC. Surprisingly to him, the candidate of APC and the purported candidate of PDP, Dr. Stephen Ode, had to apply again to the Court of Appeal to review the judgment that the Court of Appeal had already given at the appeal tribunal. The governor advised lawyers to desist from filing matters in court on behalf of their clients that are intended to ridicule the judiciary. So guys, this is it. Wike now is coming out and is saying that PDP should sue Umahi to court and Ben Ayade, as the Cross River State governor. They've recently defected to APC. They were initially elected as PDP governors. Now they are APC. If you look at this, you might say that this might actually be right, because a sitting governor is not supposed to be moving from one party to the other. It doesn't tell good of our judiciary system. It doesn't tell good of our politics. It shows that it can end up making the country, like he said, a one-party state, which is not good. There won't be any competition, the struggle, there won't be any stress. Once you are in one particular party and you be sure you get there, there needs to be struggle, there needs to be competition, there needs to be, so once you know you're not doing anything, you know your opponents will take advantage of that. That's what makes the political game more interesting. So guys, this is very interesting. If you have any contribution to this, kindly leave it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notification bell icon to get notified, so that when next we upload new videos, you'll get updated. See you next time.